Welcome back. The next stage of preparation begins with cleaning the metal surfaces of the armors. First, remove the cable identification marker where applicable. Then, thoroughly clean the surfaces of the armors until they appear shiny and bright. Next is the tinning process, where we tin the armors, earth wire and lugs. Heat a pot of S6 grade solder to a temperature of approximately 300 degrees centigrade. First, dip the prepared earth wire into resin flux. Then immerse the conductors in the solder for a few seconds. The lugs are next tinned by first applying copper flux to the lug. Holding the tip of the lug with a pair of pliers, immerse the lug in the solder for a few seconds. Repeat the tinning procedure at the opposite end. When tinned, remove any excess solder from the lug by wiping the surface with a clean piece of mutton cloth. The surfaces should be shiny and bright all over. Repeat the process for the remaining lugs. Fix the earth wire to the armors using a few turns of tinned copper binding wire. Apply an additional binder to keep the earth wire firmly in position. Tap the earth wire into its final position, spreading the strands. Finally, the earth wire is soldered to the armors. A wad of waste is used to apply steel flux generously to the prepared surfaces. Check the underside surfaces of the armoring to ensure that the flux has penetrated throughout the metal and that the surfaces are shiny and bright. Turning now to the heated solder, first move the dross in the pot to one side and then fill one of the spoons with solder. Preheat the prepared cable area with solder, commencing at the bottom and moving upwards towards the top of the armors. Fill the spoon with fresh solder from the pot before returning the cooler metal. Pour the solder over the prepared areas again, starting at the bottom and moving to the top of the armors. Pour a fresh spoon of solder over the earth wire and armors. Use a mirror to check the condition of the underside of the armors. Wipe the metal surface gently with a piece of mutton cloth to remove the excess solder. When the armors and earth wire have been correctly tinned and soldered, the surfaces will appear shiny and bright with no dull spots. After the break, we'll continue with the cable preparation as we demonstrate the technique of plumbing on the lead sleeve.